Let's learn letter D. This is capital D. D for dog. D for dog. D for drum. D for drum. D for door. D for door. D for duck. D for duck. D for daddy. D for daddy. D for doll. D for doll. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. See you the next video.